Writing, I think, has been a part of my blood flow right from the time that I was, a kid. I grew up wanting to be a creative writer. Although I found the route of journalism and then, of course, entrepreneurship to express and do storytelling. So I think the journey of writing for me sort of came from my grandfather, who was an Urdu poet, and then from my own dad, who is otherwise an Indian Air Force officer, but loved writing from the very start. All our family members who liked writing never made this into a mainstream role. But I thought that for me it was a great opportunity to at least get down to writing books. So that's how my journey as an author began. Storytelling has been very much a central part of who I am. And, as a journalist for the last 23 years, I have really spent a great deal of time knowing people and therefore getting to know stories. That to me has been a very, central piece of how one can go out there and get ideas. Since I'm a non-fiction author, and even for the stories that we get on shethepeople.tv, the whole aim really is to, tell what people are experiencing, what they're feeling, and what really triggers their notions of the world and themselves. So for me, the inspiration really comes from those I meet, their stories of struggle, sadness, success, happiness. I think mentors should be there for everyone. However, the relationship between those seeking mentors, should be a more deeper relationship than the one that I have witnessed. As writers, I believe it's very important that we take young writers along, because they are the writers of the future. They're sharing, a perspective that's yet to be charted. So that way, I feel that there is a lot of opportunity today for young writers to find mentors. I've had many role models, because writing by nature of the kind of concept it is, or the journey it is, you tend to like different writers for different things, right? Growing up, I was a Jane Austen freak. I mean, just read every single book. I used to make notes of phrases. In fact, I feel like note writing while reading is a very good exercise for writers. As I grew, I read Arundhati Roy, and then that particular book, God of Small Things, got me a completely different view of how you can write and express and literally feel and smell what you write. Over the years, I have read a great deal of work from writers across the continents. I've been reading Isabel Allende. I've been reading a lot of work that an Indian writer like Ira Mukoti or Chitra Divakaruni have done. I also read a great deal of non-fiction, so I'm a big fan of Walter Isaacson. These people have been role models largely because they've been able to breathe life into the stories they're telling, or life into the histories they're rewriting. Anita Anand is another favorite of mine. The way they weave the story of a past and give it so much present relevance, that's also a big piece for me.